Good morning, boys and girls, and happy Monday. So today we are doing Number Sense book 6, page 24. So at the top here, number 1, it says complete. So it's wanting us to complete these number lines. So because the first number is missing on our number line, we then need to jump to the next available number, which is 92. The number next to that is 94. So in order for us to know what we are counting in and what our first number is going to be, we need to figure out what they were counting in and what is the difference between these two numbers. So how are we going to figure that out? We can say 94 minus 92. So we can count backwards from 94 to 92. So 93, 92. So that is 2. So we know they are jumping in twos, counting in twos. So 92 minus another 2 would be 91, 90. Correct. So the first number would be 90. And then we would count in 2. So 90, 92, 94, 96, etc., etc. So we are counting in twos for the first number line. Then our second number line, we jump to the first available number, which is 40. The number next to that, if we jump 1, is 44. What is the difference between those two numbers? What is 44 minus something to get 40? Let's count backwards from 44 to 40. 43, 42, 41, 40. Correct, that is 4. So I think they are counting in 4s. So to get to these first numbers, we're going to say 40 minus 4 is 39, 38, 37, 36. So correct. So we know that is 36. Then to get this number, we need to say 36 minus 4. Because if we are hopping backwards, we count backwards. But if we are hopping forwards, we add. So 40 plus 4 is 44. But if we had to go this way, we would say 44 minus 4. So plus, minus, plus, minus. It depends which way the frog hops on its lily pads. So I hope you understand those two, and it continues. So if we need to figure out the numbers before, so these missing ones, that one, that one, and that one, we're going to minus, minus, minus. But these ones we're going to plus, 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 and plus. Because we are jumping to the right. Correct. Then we have question 2. Question 2 says, make the sides equal. So with this one, we've learned it a lot, and we have done at least one question like this almost every single day. So we can see it's got two sums, and in the middle there is a equal sign. So they want us to make sure that sum and that sum equals the same answer. So we have this one that's available to us. We need to fill in this missing answer. So what is 10 plus 3? 10, 11, 12, 13. Correct. So they want us to make this sum equal 13 as well. So 11 plus what will give us 13? 12, 13. That's right, 2. So 11 plus 2 will equal 13. Excellent. So this one, what would we do over here? So we need to make sure that all of these equal to 13. So we know that 11 plus 2 is 13. So 9 plus what will equal 13? 10, 11, 12, 13. That is right. 4 plus 9 is 13. So we know that all of these answers would be equal to 2 because 11 plus 2 is 13. Then we need to work out how much do we have to add to these numbers to make sure that our answer equal up to 13. Lovely work. Then if we look on this side of the page, it's a little bit strange. There's an equal sign over here, but our answer is on the left of our equal sign. So we need to break it up and make sure that our sum is equal to these numbers on the left. So 20 is equal to 7 plus something plus something. So if we had 7 on my tray, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And our answer was 20. I have 7 here. How many more do I have to add? So we've got 7. We're going to continue on counting on. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Correct. So we had 7 and we added this many. Now we need to count these all together and see how many 7 plus what equals 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Lovely work. So 13 plus 7 is 20. But if we look over here, we say, we have to add 2 numbers over here. So we could say 13. Then we think, if we can't halve 13, we could halve 12. Half of 12 is 6. So we could say 6 over there. And then we could say, okay, I've got 7. Let me add 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Lovely. So we could say, put a 6 over there and a 7 over there. So 7 plus 6 plus 7 equals 20. I hope you all got the same answer. So you would do the same thing for these ones over here, because we need to find out what individual numbers added together make up these numbers on the left. So to make it easier for us, you break them up into groups, and all these groups added together give us a total of these numbers. Then if we move on to the bottom of our page, we get this little boy here is a little bit confused. Can you see he's thinking? He's going, I don't know how to do this. Can you help me? So on these little blocks, we have got missing numbers. This says 8 less, this one says number, and this one says 8 more. Now remember, when something says less, we know it means minus, taking away, because it's getting smaller. But when it says more, we know we need to add. So it's getting bigger, we plus. So we need to know what these numbers are before we know what these numbers are. But unfortunately, these ones are missing. But we will know exactly how to work it out once we get there. So let's try these first together. So our number is 58. So we just need to simply minus 8 to get that answer and plus 8 to get that answer. So 58 plus 8, well, let's do the minus first. So we're going to count on from 58. So 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. We have 8. So 8 less of 58 is 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51 and 50. So 58 minus 8 is 50.